Hey there. I wanted to share something today that many of us may not be aware of. We see this glitzy thing called AI. We see a lot of tools promising as vibe coding or something similar to this, where this is a platform for creating chat agents and voice agents, but predominantly chat agents. Nothing against VoiceFlow because they're a great platform and I use them for all of my chat builds. So definitely kudos to you guys for building an amazing platform. But I just wanted to show you that you still need experience when building AI. It's not as simple as it seems. And I'll show you what I mean with a perfect example. This is a shortcut of where you can import what you want your chat bot, chat agent to do. And supposedly it's going to create a workflow which you can use straight out of the box. But that's not the case. I use this to import. I want to create a pre-qualifying chat bot for a mortgage broker. It has to do this, this, and this for workflows. One for if the person wants to consolidate their debts. A second if they want to refinance, etc., etc. This is what it came back with. And I kid you not, this is what it created. Now, this thing has got 33 agents. You don't need 33 agents in a workflow like this. Now, can you imagine if you're new to AI and you use something like this sort of vibe approach where you use natural language like I have done in this case, and you've ended up with something like this? It's not usable. First of all, you're going to absolutely go through your credits like there's no tomorrow. And it's unwieldy. You can't use it. It's got too many flaws. It doesn't capture all of the fallbacks. It gives you too much. You need to know what to scale back. Now, this is what we ended up with. That's a massive difference. Granted, there will be another 1, 2, 3 boxes here to capture the other work streams. But that's still 80% less than what you get on the canvas if you go the automated route. This is the point of today's video. Just because you're building AI automations and workflows, please don't think it's as easy as just putting in natural language and whatever you receive is the final product. There's a lot more you've still got to be able to do. You've got to be able to add APIs if this thing is going to talk to other applications. You've got to be able to catch edge cases, which are those examples when the user uses this automation in such a way that it could go through workflow 1 or workflow 2. You've got to be able to catch those edge cases. And you need to have fallbacks. What happens if the user asks a random question, like what about interest rates? Will they go up next month? Have you programmed that in? Because what you get out of the box, granted, it'll get you from 0 to 70%. Sometimes 60, sometimes 50, sometimes 80, but it definitely won't get you all the way. The objective of today's video is just to show you whatever tools are out there are all great at helping you go from 0 to 70%, which is still a huge win. Don't get me wrong. But sometimes you've actually got to start again because this is not usable. I had to start again. I did not use this in the end because the template is not something you can work with. So learn how to use AI, use the tools that are out there, but don't go the lazy way, which is basically I'll just type in a couple of sentences and I'll get what I need and it'll work fine. There's a lot more to it than that. So enjoy the weekend and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.